Hello, today I'm going to show you how I make a cage, enclosure, bugarium, whatever you want to call it, for my praying mantis. So I'm making this new enclosure because I have a praying mantis that I caught in my kitchen. Now the wall in my kitchen is green, and so when I caught this praying mantis, it was green, and I put it in a little enclosure that I made, and put some beech wood or driftwood in it, and the praying mantis molted, and it came out looking the color of the driftwood, which was pretty much just brown. So not as pretty as it was. So I read that they adapt in color to the environment that they're in. Not like a chameleon where they do it immediately, but they do change. So what I did was I put a couple of roses in the enclosure, and it molted again, and it came out really pretty, a really nice light color. So, it's getting bigger, and so it's outgrowing its little enclosure. So I thought, well, I'll make another one or buy an aquarium or whatever. But as it turns out, I was in the Dollar Tree, and which you hear me mention a lot because one just opened up a block or so from where I live, and I found this. Now, this was not $1, it was $5, but most of the other things that I got were $1.25, the new dollar. They had this baseball hanging there, and I found that this baseball was just slightly bigger than this top, and that the edge of this baseball almost countersinks in. It's a couple millimeters off. So I will have to sand this down so that it'll set right in. Drill some holes on the top, affix a little handle, and then I will have a nice little enclosure. And then I am going to put this wooden base at the bottom, and I will cover that with some felt that I got for $1 at the Hobby Lobby, and maybe put this is a little flower holder that I made from Sculpey, and maybe put that in so that I could have a flower, a live flower in there, because it holds some water. Got some sand to pour around the block, and also at the Dollar Tree, these little mushrooms. So we'll paint those and we'll put those around, and I'll probably put a few other things in. Not sure how I'm going to proceed with this, but my plan is to start working on the top, and I'm going to have my granddaughter work on the some of the other things, and in the end we'll show you the finished product. So on we go. This step is entirely optional. The reason I'm doing it is so that when I drill the holes, they will have some semblance of symmetry. But if symmetry is not your thing and you want to be rando, well, just drill the holes any way you like. What I'm doing here is using a Dremel type sander to take down the edge of this baseball that's protruding just a couple of millimeters so that it fits into and countersinks into the glass container. Now I'm going to turn the project over to, at least in part, to my granddaughter Emily, who's going to assist in painting the pieces and the assembly. Many thanks to my granddaughter Emily, and as you saw, she did a fantastic job. Okay, so we've completed working on all the elements of this project, and now what I'm going to do is the assembly. So what we have is the whatever you want to call it, the glass container, and then the little baseball that, like I said, I paid $1.25 for. I trimmed it up so that it fits perfectly on the top. My granddaughter painted it, and she's got this little mushroom cap here, and I stuck a stick here just because you know, it's a praying mantis, and it likes to, you know, attach itself. It likes to go up high, and so I thought it might use this stick. So that's that. And that will go on top. This is the the handiwork that you saw my granddaughter putting together. She was kind enough to help me, and hopefully you can see that. She's got 4 painted mushrooms. She put felt on the block, painted the side of the block green, put felt on the bottom of the block. So, and then I built this little Sculpey a flower holder. So I'm going to put this inside, but before I put it inside, I've got this little needle here, and I'm going to put water in this, because I am going to put a flower in it. So I'll put some water in it. Oh, that's filled it to the top. I'm going to take some out now. Don't want it to be too full. That's good. One more. Okay, so I'll put that in. Now, originally, I was going to put some rocks in here, but after doing some study and whatnot, I found out that I needed to put some a substrate like of coconut fibers. So I'm going to have to stand up to put this in. I'm just going to pour it on this side. And then move it around with the brush. That's just about the right amount there. Now, I'm going to take a couple of little plastic frogs that I have, and these are pretty cute little things, and I'm going to just set those down in. Do I have some tweezers I could use to lower them? No, so I just go like this. Yeah, that's good. And I've got another one. This one's pink. Okay. Then there's a little stick, I think, as you noticed. There are 2 little popsicle crafting sticks, green. that were glued to the side of the wood, again, just to give the mantis something to climb on if it wants to climb on something. And then I've got this white rose. So I like to keep things that are colorful in here. So, but I don't have any colored roses, so I'm going to put this in for now. And then I have the little lady. So we'll coax her out of here. She needs to eat, so I will be feeding her. Let's see if she just comes out on her own. Doesn't appear that she's going to. This really should have a close-up. Maybe I'll do it with my phone here. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Isn't that a magnificent little creature? So, I'm going to have her come onto my hand. She's very curious. And I'll see if I get her to go onto the rose. There we go. Okay. So there's her new home. And what I will do now is I'll have to coax her down a little bit to put the top on, because I don't know if you see her peeking over the top. And, you know, I could get a little obsessed with taking videos of her because she's just such a sweetie. See, she's just looking around like, what is going on here? So I'm just going to have to coax her in. Okay. And put this on. There. Okay, well, that's it. The cost of all these pieces, I kind of added them up. Everything was, I would say, under $15 if you were to throw in the cost of the paints, and you can buy them individually. We used, I don't know, 4 or 5 colors here. They're, again, $1, $1.25 a piece. You can get them at Hobby Lobby, sometimes on sale, 89 cents. And a few brushes. So, you know, if you threw everything together, including the cost of the paints, maybe, I don't know, $25. So, anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed, and until the next time.